Trees are the single most important investment you can make in a landscape, especially in an urban environment. Little trees are fine because they can be beautiful, but there is nothing like a magnificent, big, and in this case, native bur oak. This is an old oak, and he's showing a lot of signs of stress, of the kinds of construction projects that have gone on around it. So we're seeing some odd things in the trunk, we're seeing some suckering, we're seeing too many branches in places where they shouldn't occur. If you think about what these oaks and big trees like this contribute to the landscape, it's energy conservation, shade on the lawn, it's wildlife habitat. People don't like the oaks oftentimes because they don't turn a good fall color, they drop acorns, they don't lose their leaves. What's not to love about a tree that looks like this and has all those contributions? That said, you have to pay attention to those signs of stress and understand that everything has a lifespan. An oak that is, or any tree that is under stress from construction practices or environment, is one that you need to think about replacing in a location where that new one can really do well. And this is a perfect place and a perfect time to be thinking about what trees do you want to plant, especially in an urban landscape, in your own home lawn, or in even a commercial location for all those benefits.